In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your Android phone vibrate continuously. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the best thing to do is the call loop method, and you can do it on any Android device. This is the only way to get a long, repeated vibration using built-in settings. So all you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application. Then once you're here, go ahead and locate sound and vibration, which is going to be towards the top anyway. And then tap vibration and haptics, and you're going to see call vibration, system vibration, everything like that. And where it says ensure vibrate for calls, set that to always vibrate, because that's going to be exactly what you want. And that's basically it. So what we can do is go over, we can, choose system vibration, and then we can also choose vibration intensity as well. And where it says vibration sound for incoming calls, all you want to do is make sure that is turned on, and that's how you're going to get a continuous call. And there's also specific vibration apps as well, so you can use those and set them to continuous, and that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.